Yenante Teacher Savo Kantanka Asante Mai So by 10 minutes in the movie, 10 minutes, it's over no share. You know, your movie. I'm church Romania menu. I said we are still in the morning mood. The Bible says, "Mama ufoni si ufu. No more musunisu. No more musrens. Muno mumu." Katoka kusedai yeah dia rewo no ana ono TGF no edio isi achire he Elijah bompaye ema ujano emra o si Elijah bompaye nema ujano emra anyesa kofinyasa they say Elijah no edifo ono kono de na chija Elisha edifo ne bebra betwam Amos maba Ezekiel maba Isaiah maba anyesa bebra betwam na womo no ayi Nathan Nyankopon soma no so ongo ka asem nkire David no sen wo ye no obi edifo ne bebra aba wo maba ye bi atwam konfano chia be ye bi atwam no edifo na onye udi ani ntina anyi ni se konfano chia edifo no edifo eti edifo ni bi aba enye na edie na aye different e bi aba deda Elijah John the Baptist wo no by no edifo no be di kan be ka se ene Yesu Kristo nam kwa mu ba okonkra musumu a komsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam no so edifo Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam na say na no omuye omunyuma no omuye na say you know no mtira na Market Square no ye na we bewu ni aka se we bewu sana ni ye no ana na Nyankopɔn de asɛm soma esi enko kan kire Ezekiel sɛ ese bi o obewu no ye de begina Market Square ana ye kan ye ana ye ko Ezekiel ho na Nyamesom no san ne ye som no Bible kuro ya eno ana ye ho adwuma yi fire na ese nipa wuo no abaye competition me na me kan ne nra na me kan ne na me na me gina eye radio ni TV so hey e ko ka manya asɛm o na dampare no wai dampare wai
fantastic
hey ya ba fino we ya sansem hunu ne nsem tantan eto twa yo be mfie be mienu miensa ne na wonte sansem funu ibi also call ye no ano asa paganity na me na me share se we bewu na me na me share se we bewu adifu entike egu Ghana so yi mon kire kwan be fa so ye be so be enkola 16 ye wu yi adifu na mo wayi ye mo asem nanso oman a woni tire no woni nan no saa ne koso oman a won fa science nya hwe oman a BBC a broni BBC a obusa the what caused it, and the very moment you ask what caused it, your brain begins to function to look for answers. And so you the idea who caused it na fe ye ria kwosua na ebe fo ana ana we na ba ye ne yakoji nnuro bi wa ha yi adifo eti Isaiah die ya na mugusu yi Jeremiah die ya na mugusu yi adifo yi ai Samuel komshe no na nyame de soma no a ohwehwe nipa no koka kire no gu na som no se Samuel ye de man se ne ko ne ko shira eye David ni ade wo ko ye kura so obusa ne se oba ye de wo se da bi mbe ye ohia fo de se ne ye de adi ye no kofi ye awrade wo msori obisi ko ka de chede nkwa asori mo ma asori ne nya ko no asori na ye tantantan wo se mra ne be ko awie ya adifo aturufo de mimi din beba se mimi na masomo mo nanso mi awrade minimum ba bia ye Yesu ne kai emu ne ye wemu yi kada chie na kan yo ye mo so won kwa asori dia mo ya asori na ma asori ne nya akono sikaje na be ye order of the day eti wonya de fear ne to so a ana MPP ebe lunsu eye Friday say akotia na ma kire on bibi so mo nkoye na so mo mehu me eti so mehu me dia eti we ni say MPP we ni a ene ye ko hu no na mom say MPP en we ni a ene ya mehu no na die nyamesum ni e akwata frahwe ase mutua na adane wo mo hye nkom ni bia na de bibia tato ana wo humi a de obehye no amamu no be ya kwankyere twam de obehye no abebamu no ene yese ye awrade kata chema huna mane computer for software computers omutimi internet na chia ni edi kan read so ma se man for ne per read to mu nya international news a ye de aye nkomhye ye awrade enso nyame ni pando mu da so tiase omu do mu ye ni yo ye nananom akonfo ni ade no papa no mu nye dedi di Nana Bright Brady woni time odi be dedo Brady konfupani Brady oni TV so be pedi oso na nso adwuma obetimi aye no etimu hu akonfo ne be yi ni amopam omu ate omu ni kapre omu ni tengwe asofo papa no yemfa nkom sha nya hwi ye kagu asomu
ya chose
koye ho adwuma bodi nyame che wonne ma me kondo asore ti omu ana me kesa asore makobi ai oyi wani wo kwa ni o se wo tena asore dem na nipa no a wo ne wo kasa no utie na adwene mu atimi se we na adwene mu ne do na wo ka nyame asem na nyame honhom tinimu e se nyame honhom di asem brewa ye di nyansa e ka ho na se nyansa no ni amfa mfiri soro ama wo a wo ye ho hwie nyeyi afa na be fame ya presi benya fame na menam di kan say na msi play bi be crash na msi bi be to asantemem na bi be dan to asantemem asantemem kakraka yi e da na bi nsimu na bi nsimu na ye de be na mka se bi si asantemem hey Govi, Yahunamani, or mining Kobabia. General, young Kobabia. If say Yadrin no yet, a somewhat to Nipa, as you should play anymore. Why not the bomb shame more? And you're then a free toy. The white man will begin to ask questions.
Exactly. So,
how was the weather like? Time ben ya almost a very big black box. Say black box. Uba ko shemunu emma ya kwani de see ya enema see wo play money and it is see a behwe na ya near the finance abetu dwa no.
Debut.
Ana when you say we don't market phone ko mo bia no modi. And they say me no nyame na make. Don't market for there. Mami ke makola. Omo bedi wo mo de. Ana don't market for so do mo de buy. Na mo ko ani mu amde baba. Why? Enti sabre mo ba betrasia. Ya dem ase. Wo mo guso. Wo mo tie. Wo beba. Efe bo tie show ko Vietnam for na bedu. Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan for no. Shiran Kerade. More fire. As of for men say maduane. Why? They won't be a more than that time. Men am say. Men am many we. Ne we say me tie. Enipa wo twen kwa free fa wo ba ko pa adakwa yadom. As me, Yagovi, General, Yanya won't quite do be. Them found bra beko. Nipania to 1 year bubu. Yani a copper 72. So 71 years and a year, dear baby. Now 7 years you know you didn't know. Oba would say. Komsheni Muhammad sala le wale usa oba wudi sai na mo pri bebre na 71 nya ne hia ti na ade ayan sanwe am peso obe kosoro bo bran na ni mbra wo ko mi matimi akochena me ko ne o me kochena mo ya dan ya mbobom di emfie 100 years ko mbobom di e se me de me break akra na me di no me di je bibi ti sa so fo ni pa na e wo wa ni Africa da che adwuma na ye ahwe yo na me hu say nipa bi atete wo nipa de de obi betete obi we want to for general out saying general you the people just I don't know
fantastic.
They say we must say akata change wo nkola obey o modai me ni bia me yemo uma show na no nsuo ye de yakwa say ayi nkwan wo ye nkwan na de amansoa no ebo ase a na watwitwa ne ntwinam kakra na watwitwa je ne no agu na odi nchine kakra pete so no wakata so ansa ene fa ne steaming no steaming am munsuo no achimagu na wonya prega se kakra de ye sa na mama show na yo ye nante ye no ye nante no mso to da nso akata chie ka asemu a to ya mama ne kwan won kan ye na eno so ni nyina ye feedback bia ai ni nyina ka ntimachie ni nyina ai je no ye ko I don't see raising. Fire call. Ever not do Moko Bogu. Bogu I day. Uti woman President. O my day. I feel the only Bogu asem na mbeka ana ho amu na ekowe bi buma omo ma me hwe de dani bona me ntimi hwe bi chama Debi Dani okay odi koso abokobi we ni NDC fo ana ma ko bogu asore ho baby ankola 16 ni wu ene no mkoi ene ankola ni wu da bai last 2 weeks or so no ana ene no moko said you kind na me betra kind na say me wie ni atwuma da pa obi general me wie no mo atwuma da pa enkola ni we 3 weeks muni ana ene no mo hu no kwan ko ho etoma ne bo amamu anwu dia mutala mu anwu a ama katachie na metra meka a very unpopular opinion na kovi general let me make this point
Make it
It is not my job. Munchen ye Ghana for. And you juma. Seme ba betina ha. Na me bo aban baso. You travel is ofosu kwa chika. Oye say juma ne dida. Same jamfi na katria no oje. As party communications wa wan. Oye say juma ne dida. For some reason, the political class has managed to draw journalists into the zone of say, we a journalist, abaya dia ka, abaya dia nyaka. Any journalist does not have any business. Say abaya dia your baby prison. Unless you are doing promotional story, it is not your job. It is not my job. Say abaya dia ya me ba betra. Eti na ban twa nkrofo ka so mo ye ne communicators. Ont me ntwe me mechanic communicators. If you make a mutiny, me majuma ne say, me wo hama bogufuo no. Exactly. It is a bibi to bogufuo. Ese mitimi fechire mani satanka seni a wo sama ire tampusu. Na me di jato aban achi no mo kɔ hɔ. Me majuma no no. Eti omo ye no omo say. Ene ekatache da bi oba obebo aban na chi. Me metena ha nto nwom mamo. Me metiti fufuo mamo ni. Me ba betena ha na de entwa yi no. Maka. Eno ne majuma. Journalist bia oba be soso so. Ana your mama, you are doing promotional story, you are not doing news, you are not doing broadcasting. It is not your job. To me, I'm forcing catch me. Or see, news is anything somebody somewhere would like to cover it or hide it. Any other thing is publicity. And I'm not here to do publicity. I am here to make money. Now, I'm one year, baby, I'm going in matching. So bogu for ewu. Na president kofa video president say my condolence to the families of the Bogu incident. Ne. Afa man for say Karachi beka say yenya president amana anko ho. Yenya vice amana anko ho. Yenya minister of gender. Ehun ani wuo. Enro achi na minister of gender nkola ewu be de ho no. Enro achi no wode letter by say we commiserate with them. Some make us a regional minister, what an entertainment prefect. Nada be a will post to social media. When to me uncle, I'm sure any will be woo. It will be a woo. As a president, vice, and no. Mama, leadership. I so just a top from air time. Any nation be obetinasi. Now in one accident, obelusu any future leaders, the next generation, 16 in one accident. So nation has to fly the flag, half mast, the flag must fly, and that day all leaders of the nation must go there. Because it's a national tragedy. And she antiasia. Miss Nation be obetinasi in one accident by our own negligence. And when even I was talking, I kept on using say as a nation. I did not even say as a political party. I did not even say John Mahama. I said as a nation. By virtue of John Mahama being the leader of the nation, I was expecting him. Dear Yana said, even after a week or so, I hear CM Kolano. Na a whole vice president in Tay. Mokobo vice president the 8. Kwesi Pratt aseono. Nebano Kwesi Pratt ba Ama Pratt. Ama Pratt say asasi asiem kola na wie. The boss on Tay. Yenti.
Nanye vice president. Enra Masbury a ekoso ewo Bogu. Till sakwanhie ne siye. Enra Masbury akoso. Yente she. Inti enya wa wo kan asem we hwe me a vice president office as a mother SND abotre nyabotre mami land wo ha wo kono white ro no nyabotre mami ama me bisa wasem say nanka bibi be say wo ho anase sinto biba senka abena me fe se mo me nambe nanka bibi say si obi alert me abena ye na yebu man o ena minya yanka maso obebia meni obebia so eni mienu na mewo aso mienu pe na mewo
See the arrogance in which she is speaking about such a sensitive matter. A whole vice president, national security, BNI, police, more security apparatus in most vice president in Tisam Kola 60 years. Now, when you are Nanka Wama Prati, when you were baby, I was more baby.
Just look at that.
More fire. It's a shame.
What a shame.
And
may come a man for no says a leadership. And it's going to be there is an envelope. There is a very sharp division between leadership and the people. The people don't feel a part of leadership and vice versa. Leadership does not feel a part of the people. It is a Mama feel a part of the people. Samami Jane feel a part of the people. I can Kola 60 who said your word to the Meko, said your mama, Eka say, my condolence in passing, or make a statement in passing. And the many Tamakun said, no need a response to the Mbekan and Ano. Then a Moko, and the general said, said the Mbekan and the original minister, TikTok minister, Bibia what their content creation. And I like the fact that we're young near point. The person was succeeding. But concept and content in the doors. Such a tragic incident, say planes at theater many pass you. Na okwa no akofa banchi bi akura Moses a okura poma. Na ye twa video no one dey say fa ne ha. When you bre, what is a minister? A whole regional minister. What is a minister? Say woo. And I will quote me at the camera. See what you and you can't for Nina go anymore. Now, baby, I know I'm Panoa and you say, then you need a joke on going me. Don't do that. We should take the leadership of the nation a little bit more serious. Now, me can't need me matter. Secretary. Manfona make be more so leadership on empower massa more. Manfona bo fuse. Your mama can any or money bo mamuyi. Your mama in your press conference. No one can in passing say I commiserate with the family of Omaniboama. Mutalana go nyane ho. All said was it in issue because a seno. Shafani Dechi. Sana Sanko ye leader. Yankasu be aware so coho. Nemom so ye leader now who empathy mama for now. So one accident is in and Kola 16 wa. You must feel the pain. You must feel the pain. Esa yo ya. Manfona me kumu omuno. Omwana hasa na omuhone meko. Na mwadwene na tete seni. Ewurade nyame. Obi, you be Stockholm syndrome. The people fall in love with the oppressors. And they say ya sheda cha omumu mienu. MPP for no yenya bo pre no moda na ya. Everything MPP mu defend it. NDC for no so buy no. Everything NDC mu defend it. Na mwadwene na e operate say. Edi you know o makoho you know say nka tiam da se se me kan en wako why na gender minister na se pamono she has no business being a gender minister. She lacks what it takes to lead such a sensitive ministry. There is a reason here you said that a whole ministry for youth, gender and children, because children are the most vital part of every nation's development. And we sit down and we trivialize such issues. Kadechene betina ha die mehunu mu hunu na me ka kire mu nso a na asiefo no ameku mu omuno omo ne me ko se me ka tia adwomama enya adwomama na me ka tia why die ne ne kwa intimi nye bi o man ni mu 60 say you must say this say 68 years 69 yeah this say 68 say ya January 1957 and ya 2025 they got 2 years near this 70 it is 68 years you need the name you are yes you the South Africa ya dey ko nso aban no no ye serious wa ye bu man yes, you are buying into me more comfort a medical plane. If I'm caught, yes, I buy president, you know. Ninuya, no man for it to Tesana Kadichiba, Cambiana, I'm a Cambi. Was you build your mind, sir? At time. A nation should be serious. O minister say we na say we need DNA. We the am say o mo so o mo boto ne mu kura na etanya. Ye ba bedru ye no ye ba say time no na ye ena no ye ka o mo say. Ene na soldierfo no say nya farmers no a. Soldierfo enya farmers a. Anka soldierfo mo free barracks way. If say you can be a military, they are expected for rescue missions. And a soldier force or money pay. Now baby and when a way is so dangerous, so much me it took civilians, and it's me how could you buy? It's your way and some civilians. Any serious nation, it won't happen. And can see and Kabos helicopters in the room according the whole area. I found a regional minister say, Yamfa aeroplane in a Kosayan. Yes, I'm Famra. After yes, I'm Famra Crano. Yamfa Koja assembly no. So say Obimpo ne di bonibi. And se bomb near the shame. And the evidence be near the tempering of the evidence. Say before Kofi. I found also one sound from major assembly for. Are you serious as a nation? Do we understand what we are doing as a nation? Do we have any clear idea what we are doing? Tempering of evidence. It is citizens, no. No citizen, private citizen, has any business going to pick anything from the scene. And so you see more farmers, no. Farmers in my idea. No business. Any serious nation won't happen. Africa, the check we are. My beginning more do change move brain into no. More than something I make the wrong thing. You boo Maya and your president brother and then the plane. Such serious matter and they come. Yes, sir. We say Ibrahim Mama is the best day, but we don't do that. Exactly. So it is a national issue, and the nation must invest in it. A nation in the Sika, whatever for flight, and then the man for Nako, DNA na unibi for flight, medical flight for Mugumunuswa. I say Ibrahim Nuane Bayama, Ibrahim Yadasi. Why are there? It is not your job, brother. The nation must be serious. We must build a nation that is capable of some of these things. And men, I'm your fool. I'm opening your eyes to another level of leadership. Ibrahim Mama, thank you for doing it, but it's not your job. Ibrahim sponsors emergency forensic transfer. The whole nation into me. Ibrahim the bet me. Nipa bako. And you're boy and some. Okay. A baby president be. Ninu abe dealing cocaine. Oh yes, I knew man. No one should cocaine and much chili. Why? A baby baba, and cousin, a baby baba. Since you say, who say near social. They say, was a baby before. Mommy has some credit. The water. We raising me. We're raising and one before I could say you. I didn't see you. Eyebrows. And that's what Mammy, are they? Looky, or money eyes. And they will looky. And then you mean I'm ready. We all look past. Eyebrows. And then I see. Okay. Where are they? Mommy. And what should your mama say? I didn't know until. Now, police in Niro Chino. Onoswa no. Also, what in a Brazil? Police in gestures. We are still in the morning mood. Exactly. But my mission was her John. Questionable. Are they? Omoye no do me phone say me ka say do me phone ni nkomo ba mami ki ni makola phone ana omoye no omusu say de wo hwe say de ma nka we no kanya hwe oba tan wa hu say ne ba ayi asemato na ne ya no mbusa say na ma me de na asem ne bi ntro no ana e hu igwa nka ma na asem ye o ma re ho sa na ma me so no ne o ma ne bo ma ye free na say de no osi hwe no na ma me ke mu ye fast by say ga de che we no wo hwe ne say wo sa akwa we I say Timbaka. You do a chi, you do any more. Or more doing chance. Nam so that be young cat, Mammy came. Makola for me to come home. Now, why you know? We are a hated jump. What I cannot. John Kafrawati. Now, don't me phone and come on. Come on. No more, you have no mercy. Can I refi asamontem na mse say na kro mo si jada Medina market no ahye no mo yeso John Baba akono eyi time Professor Mills wu ye no aye de man November 2012 ana no kan Malcolm enipa be 17 de wu ye no na mse mo kamna no mse Osaya, Sir John no pension a June 3rd disaster, nipa 120 no amu di nkomo ne banam say domi munya no so de ka chemianka no say mo beka ya John ne pension ana ye kan say Upper East bas mienu bi ko hia mu a hye nipa be 70 mo kai ne anam say mo so mo di nkomo ana mo ye no so John yi pension a na Asante Mampong wo ba bi no ni wo sori na na say mo kam na koyo so asa ababio enti ababio no na asha ase free eno kwa makola fo ne kan asha ase free nkola 16 ade a chin emu che ye to 8 go so divide 16 by 2 aye 8 na makola fo ne say ye o calculation bi kan won say some people for can breaking the 8 Anna John for some funny reason ultimately better number 8 on the ballot and we see a fena yeso ani in ni ministers 8 you know ni ade na wu na why na ye ne campaign manager almost o mane boama do wu ye no na me say Domi market for mun komo yi no me so sa ne na me so de be catch my na me say yenye ne sa we no mo de nkomo no akọ but omo so ye part of the show the market ni ade no enti omo nkomo no me ba be ka
more fire
enemo no domi fo nya sa akwanhia ne esi na we ne sibio John bompaye na ya akoyesa se wo de no wo betena so bia na enema akase Nsembe ge de ye hunu bi da we play yi ono ne penso na ba ko bi enka ya atiahwe wo 37 ho no ne ye hunu bi da play atiahwe o ma ye hunu bi da bai ti John wo ba ya na nioma ne soso
ka Bible mu nsu nipa no
Yohane Bible mu nipa
soso de
akuidie so mo yesa John nka mensa John the first, the second and the third. You need John the fourth. Etinka kufo JJ John ebaye no. Na J John buy. Ana J John Mills so buy. Etinka we John no de nka ho. Ya ma no gomo no. You go be. Ndo me foi. Mo soro am go emadwuma. Bobi. Ye di areho no. Ana keto kra ku di nsem hunu waje.
We see it.
GFE. Hey, Abrante. Ketokira Kupeso and who dictator, benevolent dictator. By the way, we're not benevolent. Or a dictator and Cassa. GFE boss. Menoka said Ketokira Normalization Committee I attained in 2019. One with the roadmap towards the sequence in Yantechi Penso, Yempebia. Sabra walk at your crackui. Now, when himself Georgia Free and Baba GFNT, one now come a key proposals, and Yama president be 8 years. No, I mean, would be said Georgia Free, but Banankaja would the 8 years not prepare. Ketokraku, what babidi? 8 years naso. And a Ketokraku say, a football executives near school dear Ben, dear Ben, some more for escort dear Ben 41 or said, as I say, and your resolution, na yen changing constitution, cat constitution yen changing and then changing the channel. Oba a new leadership, Papa Bia. Hey, also sponsor for my ID. When you know my ID, second 3 months ago, ya permanent got 350. When you know my ID, and yes, sir, it's me, I make myself. Cat, oh, from to Quemasika, Yama Quine. Oba and the constitution, they do buy. As somebody 8 years. When you do that, when you change the constitution, you have overthrown the GFA constitution, and for that matter, you need to be overthrown as well.
Exactly so.
More fire.
Every constitution, sub-constitution of this country, it mimics the image of the national constitution. And the national constitution, some way, somehow, entreats us. So, Obia Obedi is a Munubia, it's a football people. Now, ironically, sports minister Kofi Adams or whatever. And what no market to Kreku distance. Danny, Ketokeku, Obaya, a dear cap and waji, O Kwabaye, where you team, so sports, work of food at this sports or sports in bois, and one word in the players is and what home players, Jato, Jajafino, team,
agency blaster,
or agency blaster, one what home Yano Biabisham. Wadande agent instead of IGF or buy a league in Yinagu Tonaton League or Motonomaton go face the photo na he photo well sell sports na ye pompa ya se nipa boni for me munka abe contem afa ebe so amuakwa yeso osase wo pass resolution etie di arewo ni ade no wonim so ne manfo ne hye wo yesensan krata se wo mu change constitution cat AC ne nsi kina and sports for na what is what you scam mo se de be you am pese mo ya na mo kama no tum dan koku ye bo awai o na wo ye normalization committee wona na ye kasama afo mboa dan koku ye bo abebo ana dan wo ti kroma na ketokre ku ye nsem hunu ana mo ntimi nka biu sports obama wo ba betna morning show ze waja sports asemo ani ba ku bia o mu twa madapa ne ade enye de ehia ni
we ne hia
ye ku dita wo mo sector amaso ye maye din yamam kakra dia na we mo ka omega so onim sports men ka we na mini sports hu nti obi sisa constitution so me hunu agoja Ketokreku Dani project constitution no GFA constitution no yenkan articles no ne yenhwe se dia na articles ne ka na afa ye fa hwe de Ketokreku peso ye get anya djuma mate mama leadership nya akono Dani dabi yanko okay so we article say 37 yanko article ba akono mransa is it the first one was it one woman elected the creation of women representatives by the binyano na mewe for ba akono bra Dani ba akono bra ni yankan ne hunu Ketokreku the terms say so oko no so free
obi from ra of fire
unko na adwene otim ko na betimi expose ani atwasi yesi ye hunu subida oba ene sports papa be no ene ko ma ye hunu subida nti yes say komio Ketokreku no sports papa be no ene ko ma odi e kokodi bu na anu yi eyi na kan ye bebo wo ho Ghana for no ene mbu asepoto mo wie na musa akodi hu sika se tam anu ya hwe odi sa nya hwe ye to aba ma nti obere so akọ obere na so so sesa no ket obere asesa no na do man hwe so foni wo yebra Kofi Adams adai wo sha market asesa constitution oga kam so FIFA say emfie ye hu nhihye wo mboa ene FIFA nko benya ba ne ye de hu hihye mu ye normalization committee ye wi ye anko boss mi o eti wo ye bibia no aban no mero ajo mama wo ye bibia mu nyiri firo pam ni firo
exactly
next African Cup
ya qualify and still our person or another term cat wo hu ofe kokko your sports o team no wate no ko manage na ton agent ko ye na ja wate nse funu be no to me come on say mu manfo na de ma ho no no ma ko hye ba bi ni ade ko si nya ntachi o ye sports ni ye chen
fire
despite all the shortcomings you ko si nya ntachi time ni hu say Ghana sports raising to another level a World Cup. Oba ye dia ne aye. Bibi papa be ne aye. O ade be na mo na mo sports me dia ya na ne matanta me no. Eti ye dia rewo no ayese obi a hold on no. Ketokreku ne nkrofo hye da mo sisa constitution. Na ye dictator sa. Ket. O hu ofe kwa. O ye dictator. Hey. Na we ye bo mode de Ghana tumi akohye ne nsa tika de oba ye no no. And don't forget that leadership at all levels is almost the same as leadership at the highest level. So if you're a president of the Ghana Football Association, you must lead by example. You must show some level of discipline. That the constitution that brought you to power, you will respect the constitution. What did the constitution say? It says clearly that you can be a president of the GFE 4 years, 2 terms, and you say goodbye, thank you. Other people will bring in different energy. And you get to say, well, you are the most intelligent person in football. For that reason, we cannot find any other person. And Manu West School members and baby say yes and sign more pass resolution. Cat, a branch and babu. Oko Divan by Ayanyo, who took us and one babu. And I entreat the people say, was the constitution a Mushiano, a stadium be a mopa panity. Bianca said me incite violence. We a positive defiance. So was the constitution that means we mumra. Mushiana mumra. We need to start teaching our leaders some level of discipline. Oh, the constitution be the waba. Oba and waba besum. Oh, the Fabakubra, what faith anything. Cat, stop it. Come on, don't do that. Let's be serious. Leadership, you may boomra hokaka. GFM nonsense. Most sports we crack off from. And Yakonobi. Etika de obey any away and some man, Bema sports, and I say Yakono. Say man for nothing, yet me trust the sports. Oh, say by Yana man for a lusu, a year into the way. And I am Ponsa, former Kotoko. Menu me yonko brebo pano. One or two on Chumanya de way. Also, Nanaya yen lazy wood. Would be GF in the BA. Oh no, also the threaten a while. What me a year Kotoko, no, I bet me a GF. Who are one we are young also. Yet the Kotoko, I saw some one manager. Who bet me a GF. Yana Bran, I may be a bear campaign be a more anyama. I judge a free and a communipa. My name is still Obesabadia. Where do you go? Oh, Ibu must go. Ibu go. Cat, you're in Kosiwe. Football people. One Mamuskana, Tilmaya Dino. Adajana Yamudi Chamadapan, Mufanko, some coin with Mawate. Made a minimum one that Namudi Kurame Monaha. It was a No, you are not my target.
Exactly.
I want to target people that are in positions of power, that are supposed to effect certain level of change in the society. And when those people are sleeping on their job, that is the only way I become emotional about national issues and I speak about it. Individual people who want my name to claim to fame, I am not going to give that attention. I won't give you that. Why will I give you that attention? So di kwachira. Utam katechi na boni di ba kumiro. Udi me kwachira. And you say many abobies and one who you should send a human name Bobby Brown or a year energy now or the Tias and Pan. Say that's what they cut the chain in and a pimpimo. Ye Quabna. Why in a kuna a year was his son or you? Kuna no Becanocre. Was this on penny and Coso? The idea be Zonda Tech. Yes, a company be the Zonda Tech. Na BBS you were 2 weeks in here. And more kataso. Emuaso. Obi Zonda Tech. A Chinese company. Any project. Na workers in Ibi. We be wo. And according to I'm sure imagine a motion a very gory. Exactly. And when I say gory, and yet pleasant. The moment made a chiraman here. To Mam Kwanam Van Chiram. Then he bought video no. Now Nipaya or that form way, Wayam and met Chiram CCTV footage. Track Nesi Wono. And then any panel was wa yamuye. A quan ben and Nipana yamuye. Yabeshan in Chibia. Now according to sources. Driver na or track ni no abo or a China ni no abo na driver ni nua any manager na or a year just so branch of Zonda Tech it wa mu yankata so mu aso ayi the oda one na wawu ne family ko mo mpese ombebua no omo yankata so mu Zonda Tech we are going to fight for our citizens. Exactly. I know your owner no or you well connected to the highest places. Say na no kran wo ko chair police for ayi ade but enka hwe and country. What is right is right. Now Zondatech nipa ne da ona wo ya adwuma ho ana wa yam da odani afi bo video nen ko nanim wa yam from poto na it make sure mo CCTV footage okay, so this is the person dani wa yam 2 weeks ni instead of the Zondatech a company to do the right thing omo ye katasumo maso they are not doing the right thing. They are not doing the right thing. And it is the sheer negligence of the driver of the truck.
Precisely.
And I'm going to show you a footage. But the CCTV footage, just so you know, say, you know, information and me inside 1, 2, 3. And I'm here saying, young CCTV footage in the moment. And I'm in nipa, say, me, you know, me say, me new baby. Na me nya me nkofo e bi mo yes, no mo twema me. Obi, me no ka say. Zondatech, you have to be serious.
Exactly.
Don't think because you know big people in this country, you can treat this issue business as usual. This is about human life. We are talking and your friend say Kudalo, your friend Papa say. IGP defense. You know. Don't think you can because only Zondatech woman is free. So you can cover things up using the police. Now yankoni yankosha kwanye faso a obi abranche na mo hu ni funu no yankoni yankosha CCTV footage yes here adani bo afi yan hwade and driver no mo be hu say yakase no aboa mo be je de se no aboa mpa mo hwe the track ne here mo hwade eti abranche na wo na gina ayi no ho be fro mo hwe din ho be fro. Okay, so there is another car, tow truck, no, Ebefa. Mohadio, and it's a sad situation.
Exactly.
It all directed tow truck, no. After Moshe DBC. Mom, pay attention, DBC. A quiet fast we. A very sad. Mohadia. So look at it. Look at it. And at the end training away ko see this so. It driver not him yes no abo. So instead so be pack a tow truck ni you know. One pack tow truck ni. Ana car ne froba no. Tow truck ni movie. It driver no on na sia oba no. Ebi a wo tow truck wo timu a wo regulate tow truck amena fa edani kwachi the driver just jumped out and Matricia so ye manager no wo ayi Zondatech you just branch no ninua to cover nioma up driver now is what tenemu no ana driver na si no otogu so awoba no so ma hu dey see after a branch now or no director no because driver ne free more so it is negligence when it comes to the issue of law negligence you can negligence nature say BBS so look at it carefully we are share negligence look okay so hana track ni movie in na o dwane na dia ne lock in na we ko see ni so gain etina no ayam dani faria ne bra dani fa ne picture na no da form no ne bra now obi beka sa de ntina me bozo nda check penny ni din kofi when you go ukomre mu a if it be vicarious liability. What vicarious liability simply means is that the ultimate responsibility lies with the person ono ye in charge of adwuma ni nyina. It is a worker be in the course of their duty na say worker no oye bibi na say epira obi ana say kum obi a wo say nipa no atumi no nyina ye odia no you are held responsible for it. So if through negligence na say obi ye bibi na say nya okura na aye o mu say nya Zondatech ma me no ana ye but why na adwuma why the ultimate responsibility near there. So if through negligence of your workers when me am more safety nyoma na say ye hwem na mra ne say ye hwe ho nyina no yetimi say we na ye avoidable and this is avoidable
Exactly. So.
Na moment say want take precautionary measures. Said ya ampa want take precautionary measures no. Na be to workers you the owner of the company, the company itself, you are liable.
Exactly.
So this vicarious liability. Oya dan ya iso mutua. It is abusua na moyo o mukọ na bra basa no. Ye na abusua ne bedi nkomo on Monday. Abranche na wo wuni ne na yire bedi nkomo on Monday. And we won't let this slip and slide it. We won't let it slide. We won't let it slide. Young Fanko Capital said, we are going to make sure say Zonatech will take responsibility for it. Zonatech, I know how well connected you are to the topmost people. I don't give a rat ass. What is wrong is wrong. What is right is right. And you have to pay.
Precisely.
Your company will be sued very big, very huge. And you pay damages. Because the evidence is very clear. Everything points to the fact that there was sheer negligence on the part of your worker or driver, no? And that negligence, all the elements that you need to establish whether or not there is, whether there was a duty of care, a very big duty of care. Say as a worker, no, nipa na oma wejuma no, o duty so be protected one, o duty say what the precautionary measures be well protected no. Ni a breach of the duty. Say sabre no adwuma no omoye no omo breach duty no. These are the elements to establish a negligence. And I'm power stress a kwanya fast one driver na yeso wotenem one tenem no see from etogu so bese ne call no ja car ne sa no. It is a breach of duty. You owe it a duty to and you've breached that duty. Now what breach duty no you better causation say ade no ye no e dey harm be by am pa nipa na da ho awu no. So clearly there's causation right there. Now we have to link it to say wo adwuma na yesi ye no e ye negligence in a course and clearly we can tell that is the negligence of the driver. But at this point, the law is in such a way that will be not the end. It will be charged on the company. Vicarious liability. Simple. And the evidence is very clear. Where Norman G. Williams, the one make a me real crazy. Now we know a buy now me pictorial memory when it comes to the law. My paper. We all call a gimpa. The first class. Me can me blow me home. My real second year no be the first class. Why? Opa me can wako. I the game record say oh kwa obo mo de be ma. Na make me dwuma no me say nya no kura say ko mo ko hwa ba. If say NDC for so opa. Na me na me dwuma no. If say minimum ade no. Of my some so na me mo. Anyway, Zonatech, we will deal with you guys. Then General, I'm sorry. And if you had a memoranda, because Jimmy, anytime. We are still in the morning mood.
Precisely.
And I'm going to make answer. Okay, because say soon, I'm going to say, yeah, and a pope who was in a pope who were found. Also, sir. Yeah, wana dada kedi. We are kosia ina dada kedi wawu. Ye misuyo. Da fom nyina. Me ni so me bie me no ma ase abome. Oh, I'm telling you. Lumba wo ne hetem na kedi de no e bombe different. As at now and you will be a wo no basa no a. Afa na yi nkola ne de no so asabetu. Na o ma ne bo amamu die so abetu. All jokes aside, despite all make a casse, and Colani Dian Wuhiano, Emmy Yase, Bibisa Abeto, or Bitsel Manebo Mamoni. Fine brains. We need them to develop our nation. It doesn't matter where they belong. Manebo Man, I know MPP. No MPP Nipa. President Kufuor pension, no MPP. Now, MPP for the sense in Funuyani Adiano, Yediani Apamo Young Funi be a friend. Na yen wa kwesi kakri so amamu nyina se no mo ye MPP fo omo nyina mboa nti sa o mse ndi sifo ni bi nso ba hade na MPP ni ebehwe ni aye ni yi omo mfata so mbe leaders nyina ebepam mo nya obi de say Dwaben chairman say aluta ese mo pam no tantantantantam omfata ebuo ni ne ho o say me nananom nsa ase me say akọ na me ne kokon ya o hia me yi a one me konsa da na me na be kon me nananom nsa ase an wo twa tro say me demand for bribe na me je bribe no kran kama be chairman kro I'm telling you kama ya ba ka chom say me nananom nsa ase aje maji huska such a person cannot be a leader of any part of the party. So Dwaben, I have interest in Dwaben. I also you were interested in Dwaben. If say yes, someone a building Dwaben. I just Dwaben. Mukoko busa kwasi kwaseji. Yes, someone. Me papa ja hine. Oni ofa email ofa ya nkura fifa. Ene aye pani kokusi. Wo mo satamba pa intercity ni sweet mother. Wona na wo ka akase na etimi fresh wa. Ebesi ni kokumase. Odi ni nyina ye campaign ma kwasi kwaseji. Mukoko busa kwasi kwaseji say why ne Michael Leomensa. So when it comes to Dwaben, I have personal interest there. Exactly. Nobody should come and sit here and say that Dwaben chairman and why any aluta. Any put me bribe so I can say anto DC abama no. Eti ye kwaje bribe na free waba. And that's the character you guys want to lead you. Dwaben munye serious what? E wo interest o munye very serious. MPP party nipa bebre ho ani kwaso mo ye leaders bio. Ofi munche ni and we need to remove them. Again mama mo kwan ma mo de Kennedy Japan ne ba wo mi ade we nso esa nyoma bebre. Se Kennedy Japan ayi team fo no. Dia mo gine di ni Kamintela no odidi Kennedy Japan atem no. Wow. Se Kennedy Vintela mfa na asam ma wo so da. Me wodi bia ba me so da. The trunk one wotwa. A trunk one. Ayi minu aba Jennifer Pon wa mrebi nko betwa trato so na wo kanta ne kakra na odwane so ade papa wa wu ayi ba ese wo ba after wo with evidence ni dey wo kanta ne kakra eti trunk one enyusu no enfa ntete wo nua no montem wate munya esa ekofiofo so wonsu jansem hunu no ane ma ne kono munyina munya ntokwa no munya ya ka muntie kan de Kennedy betimi ayo Kennedy Japan why business why say it to the company your mine manual obey say ni aboye nsem ni atoama no ba omia no ye economics ana technology ho ahwan ni ade na wo de manual obey ni say ni aboye nsem ni agai na ayi January ya toaba eno no one dey we yatam na eno free here ade na moye mo no wo ni utim fo ade na moye mo no mo titim me be odi machi wono wo Kennedy Japan ana ebi nso wo ba omia ni nyina ye okay me ni problems ba omia na ade ya trust ye di nkomo Kennedy me na trust ye di nkomo bra champo kura de menua pa no ni ade eti obi a wo ko bia no ye sapepepe omo nya before it is a Kennedy Japan person di president ni bia on de ochini ba omia na person di president ni bia bon bra champo tu e dia nef bono wan fata president Nenso eden ya efia konwa to a nipa ba ko pani ebechu su Nenso ya prepare wi a ya chusu nipa ba ko ya nyina be sa be ka bom si ena no asante akonwa eto fom se otumfo pokuare wo ko ne krachi no na ese de ma obi na dodo no a yes ene kwasi agiman na no yes me wo fa wu a ene adeti kwasi agiman show boy wono na ese de ma no bebre na de na chi yewura asante hine chi ewi a kire ne de ma yewura asante hine a wote so ni ebu mine ene asante ne na so ntewo eti dia na moya mo tantan sa Jennifer wo media no jarof Kofi Ofosu nso media sese na Kofi Ofosu na odidi Kennedy atam ana wan na didi wan atam na no yare troba muji Kamintela na Kamintela video no a wo ye no ama Taylor say enkrofo na Sunday me a message wo inbox as to how he managed to know says enkrofo e omfrike Kofi why ya turfo bibi o be ke bia ma munyini Chatro, Mamu Yusu and also in your campaign. But if so, no answer better say a year MPP. Mom, you're very careful.
Exactly.
If you're for Sujaman Tokano, Jaiko, oh, ye penny, who cry when him say President Kufo, or when I say Jai Man Toka. Also, Jennifer Pong, Jan Toka, who know I walk on the support Kennedy Japan. Munyan is a munu amudi and I'm support mo candidate. munyai me ka asem kire munyai obi ani wa woto no nano eden chen me ka de chen me an ma yesi bibi nti no me mpese me kwa afase ma kwa afase ana me gina odin na me hwe ni ade me hye omo so ka kire omo ba omi me hye ma ka kire no Kennedy me hye no eden ya me wo bi a me pese nke to abama no nanso for the good of the party and the unity of the party I decided say I'm not going to go into that arena.
Wisdom. Fire.
If say sabi nya make attention ho enipa ne bebre de wo Kennedy Jennifer you watu op masempa me personal secretary watu Kennedy it is on open masem a ye oba mu miankofo ebre nso mo ye menua virus ne nkofo menua no mchochoro mu chopa o mo so pe masempa afi no me yanam kodi afa ne sese dia be ye bibio ho nanso obi ambeto oba ma ne bia me campaign abo nya sa ne no na afi mo didi mu atemu ye e de ha mo na pipi mo nya careful Obi penin ni fie ho na mo nso ayede release abase munya campaign amuguso ye campaign munya rough no munya na no mo sima ko ha gi wontumi enti me endorse wontumi me endorse wontumi ba bia me endorse wontumi me nye wontumi campaign manager wontumi so open national chairman me endorse no me ya interview wontumi ye menua what I think about him, I think about him. Nothing will change until he gives me a reason to change my mind.
Let them know.
Onyama I'm saying reason that I'm going to find house and I'm going to find house. Ebia for the unity of the party until men can be obey big you must say. Nemo no bia me na my endorse we me rough. Men turn my conscience. I'm not your regular guy. Men turn my conscience. Timunye di ya to abani wi ani nyina ba together na ko wate na ma ayi mama de de enkosi yohani gobi meto mfo wi enko ne enko di awre ko se mu be num kakra dada na agoso abenom de Ghana for me mase wa mugu ase sa edenesi after mateno after you know e wo ho ana kokonsa ni nyina men ai dani ave mo dani bubo video after martin bubo na branch bi a koko samo ye no ye di areho ntina ka make no obi na branch bi a koko won sam ye ka se ya to mu 120 Ghana cedis e bo fu ye dani bossa video no a obeka bi no anu wo ye say say no mo penaku no and this for the tata na mabobo adamu ana dani bossa video ni ewe
me mentwa mko kwajo hwere ne butu ase no wa mu se wa ma na esa so kire se onya video biem wa kama no atum wa yete ase na so onya video biem ni nyina agina koko video koyeye ade kire se koko price e baaye no abanya humayen Ghana for the nenkwa akoto esaniem enkwa iso ode
na yensha hold on yensha video kura e ma branch obutu ode nsa wono nana ne wura ho a na wotete ne koko otugu no oye wo se ya tata ne se bekuno o se ya tata ne se bekuno na akoto koko mu antum ye na manfo ne do koko ne buafu a anu se yasa akotata omo buafu no ewura ho ne se bekuno mo na mo adwene ti se ni
Sibio mo hene
ejeno a mo adwene ti se ni o ma bi atim na manfo no ese o mo eboa o mo nua na yesisi no mo se manfo na sa to ogu o mo nua no so
ya no kama hefo
me na se an ma bro me kopiska we se me so ya me kopiska na me go we dia na moto yi se mo mo adaje e ma do so mo do so ma me mintaze dai okay presidential jet no and announcement kan wasem aso ku je to say yes ye forensic
I'm a Roman
bibia e be politics
never been she fridge mo
do
ade ba de abeka ya
Daddy, the man for the buy and I said,